Can you colour it?
Yeah, we've got a whole pile of coloured pigments. We're working on getting metal stuff. We haven't quite got that yet. We've got copper. We've got plenty of copper, but we've got to get hold of the other colours and metallics at this stage. Yeah, and when you use pigments, you're better off using liquid pigments than colouring for concrete oxides. It's bloody horrible in epoxy because it makes the epoxy a lot harder to sand because you're putting actual metal in there, stone in there. And the other thing is when you sand it loses that bright colour, and you put another coating over it won't come back. Ours, like this fella here, that was just the end of a paddle pop stick. Sorry, a tongue depressor, and it went too dark. I wanted it a lot more opaque than what it is. So that's the blue. We've got a bit of metal flake in there as well. Yeah. All right, thank you everyone.
Yeah, thank you.
Woo!